Basically, Angular is a front-end framework. The front-end framework is developed using a TypeScript language. As you can see from this documentation, Angular is a development platform built on TypeScript as a platform. Angular includes a component-based framework for building scalable applications. So when you think about components, is like just imagine somebody is building something like a login page. We can have the login page having its own component. Angular also includes a collection of well-integrated libraries that cover a wide variety of features, including routing, forms management, client-server communications, and more. So when you talk about this, Angular has a routing module that handles routes. It also has a way to handle dynamic forms, and which we are going to learn later on. Some of the few things like template-driven forms, those are a few things we are going to learn. Then they also have a way to communicate with the server, the HTTP module, which you're going to learn about it later on. Another thing Angular includes is a suite of developer tools to help you develop, build, and test and update your code. Angular also has ways to test your code, and also when you're building and also testing. They also have a way to build your application, to minify it into small minified HTML and JavaScript files and CSS, etc. Now, with Angular, you are taking advantage of a platform that can scale from a single developer project to enterprise level application. Angular is designed to make updating as straightforward as possible, so take advantage of the latest developments with minimum effort. Best of all, the Angular ecosystem consists of a diverse group of over 1.7 million developers, library authors, and content creators. The Angular framework is mature, and you can see the numbers like, wow, people are using it out there. If you have time, you can just get started. Just go to this official documentation site for Angular and just read more about it. It's much interesting when you go and read it alone, and you'll find a lot of information there.